what we do with concentration is there's a formula for it that you need to know. So, and I'm going to explain to you concentration, right? And I've got my dirty, disgusting handwriting, is equal to moles, and they said mass, moles, and this we've done in chemistry, divided by volume. Now, most people write this and they stop, all right? They have to be very careful. Volume in chemistry, when it comes to concentration, is always dm cubed, okay? Now, a dm cubed is a litre, and when I was at school, we used to use litres, but then it changed to SI units, which is dm cubed. 1 dm cubed is equal to 1,000 cm cubed, okay? Now, the units of concentration are moles divided by dm cubed, and the way that I would write that on paper is moles divided by dm cubed. Okay, that's the GCSE way of writing it. Because you can't write a fraction on one line, so we write it like this. All right. The only other advice I'm going to give you guys is you've done enough to be able to convert dm cubed to centimetre cubed. Is another way of writing this is concentration is equal to moles. Now, careful, that's not mass. Divided by volume in dm cubed. If I want to find out the number of moles, I rearrange this. So if you want to work out the number of moles, this is divide by volume. I want to get rid of it, so I times by volume. If I times by V on this side, I times by V on this side. This is algebra, which is Arabic to mean it to balance. So whatever you do on one side, you do on another. That's your maths teacher's job to explain it to you. And if you don't get it, just ask me when it comes to science. So moles equals concentration times volume. If you want volume, so this is if you want mass, if you want volume from this equation, that rearranges to volume equals concentration moles divided by concentration, right? And again, this will give you volume in dm cubed. Let me just rub that out. This is volume in dm cubed, okay? All right, and that's it. I'm stopping with that because, you know,